Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. In today's world, many agile teams work remotely, spread across cities and countries. Scrum, however, was originally designed for teams sitting together, collaborating closely every day. That raises the common question, how can Scrum still work when the team is not in the same room? The short answer to that is Scrum itself does not change. What changes is how collaboration happens. With the right digital tools, remote teams can maintain communication, transparency, and teamwork and run Scrum ceremonies effectively. In this video, we'll walk through how remote teams actually do that step by step. Let's start with the Daily Scrum. The purpose of the Daily Scrum is to help teams stay aligned and spot problems early. In remote teams, video conferencing tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet act as the shared meeting room. Team members connect briefly, usually for 15 minutes, and focus on progress towards the sprint goal. Alongside the call, teams use digital boards such as Jira, Trello, or Azure DevOps. By looking at the same board, everyone can clearly see what is done, what is in progress, and what is blocked. This shared visibility replaces the physical board you would see in an office. Next is sprint planning. Sprint planning helps the team decide what they will deliver in the upcoming sprint and how they'll do it. In remote environments, digital backlog tools like Jira, ClickUp, or Monday.com makes this possible. The product owner presents the top backlog items and the team discusses them together. For estimation, teams often use planning poker apps or online whiteboards like Miro. These tools allow team members to discuss complexity, raise questions, and agree on estimates, even though they are not sitting in the same room. The key outcome remains the same: a clear sprint goal and a realistic plan. After the sprint begins, collaboration doesn't stop. When the sprint ends, the team holds a sprint review. The goal of the sprint review is to demonstrate completed work and gather feedback from stakeholders. Remote teams rely on screen sharing through Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet to show working software live. Developers walk stakeholders through real features, not slides. If some stakeholders cannot attend, teams often record demos using tools like Loom. This keeps feedback flowing even across time zones. Then comes the sprint retrospective. Retro help teams reflect on how they worked and identify improvements. In remote teams, digital retrospective tools such as Miro, Mural, Easy Retro, or Parabol play a key role. These tools let everyone add feedback at the same time, often using digital sticky notes. Ideas are grouped under themes like what went well, what can improve, and action items. This approach encourages equal participation and keeps the retro interactive and honest. Between ceremonies, teams continuously refine the backlog and collaborate. Communication tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams allow quick discussion and fast problem solving. Documentation tools such as Confluence, Notion store requirements, decisions, and shared knowledge. Together, these tools create transparency and prevent information from getting lost. Everyone knows where to find the latest updates. To conclude, remote work does not prevent teams from practicing Scrum successfully. With the right tools for communication, planning, collaboration, and feedback, remote teams can stay aligned and productive. What matters most is transparency, regular communication, and active participation from every team member. When these are in place, Scrum truly works anywhere, even remotely.